Welcome to the Unblock phone number into your ASUS ROG Phone 6. First of all, open your phone application on this device. Then on the top right corner we got 3 dots. Tap into settings. Here go into call blocking and block list option, and here choose block list. And here we got to block number and block contacts. So for unlocking, for example, first one, press and hold. Only press, and choose remove from blacklist and confirm operation tapping OK button. And that's it. So let's try again. This number, press on this and choose remove from blacklist and tap OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.